Hello, happy 22nd. It's a new moon today and I'm off to water me tatties. So new moon's a new journey. So let's begin this one. Look at these mad trees, all entangled. Extraordinary behaviour. I was just walking along here and some guy just walked past, obviously out for his walk and that, and I'm getting ready to say hello because I say hello to everyone. You know, I like to have that little moment. And I don't know whether you a lot have noticed, but in the last, well, you know, since all this has been going on, people look at, I mean, this guy just sort of like, I'm trying to get eye contact and he's like hiding away, you know. I just stopped and watched him. I thought, I was going to say, you know, you've just walked past the person, like, how kind of ignorant is that? I didn't. But it's all the brain programming, innit? People are all in all sorts of places at the moment. Wow. Look at it go. Yeah, well, I'm going to go in here. Well, I was here yesterday. And this looks like there's been a kill zone here. There's a few different sorts of feathers here. What's this one? That's a beautiful looking thing. Maybe that's one of the hawk's feathers. But look at that. I came out filming yesterday and then lost all the footage. But that's the way it is, isn't it? So there was a couple of things I wanted to show you because I seen the hawk yesterday as well in a nest. And it might be one of, well, probably one of many nests, but I want to show you where that is, like. And also, I don't know whether you remember me talking about, I seen a woodpecker but didn't film it. Well, I heard some weird chirping, twittering, well, chirping sounded quite urgent, and I investigated. It turned out it's the woodpecker chicks. There's 3 little holes in the tree, right where I seen the woodpecker, and it vanished, you know. So that's what it was. And with this hawk hovering around the same area, it's quite urgent, isn't it? Yeah, there's a lot of birds, and I think they nest round here, because it's a bit more kind of private for them, away from the public. So yeah, I'm going to find a route down here. I think I can see one straight ahead, so we'll go and check that out. I like this. So where we go, that's definitely where the chicks are. And just as I said yesterday, it sounds quite urgent. But I'm seeing that hawk, as I was looking there, and I've seen the hawk swooping over the top of this tree. So I bet you the woodpecker's pretty close, really. It's probably watching me now. Well, my intuition's telling me to sit here for a little bit and see if I can catch the woodpecker coming in, because it won't be far. That's it, on that tree. It knows I'm here. I'm going to have to sit back a little bit. I thought it was a magpie, but I've just seen it then, and it's got a red underbelly Yeah, it's come back now. It's probably gonna. It is. It is. Yes. It is now. Can't really see it, but I can't risk scaring it. Well, here's another one. It's getting close. It's gonna go in. Here we go. Wow. That's beautiful, isn't it? Well, here's the other one. I think they're just hopping around the trees, getting insects, and it just puts them in, but they're hard to satisfy. I'm just so pleased I can get so close and watch them. And it's off again. A parent's work is never done, eh? I think there must be some holes on the other side, because it's just come down. But it's not come round. There it goes. Here it comes. Another delivery. It's gone in. Coming out again. Oh, whatever. That must be it. Certainly a lot of activity going on. I've seen about, there must be 4 or 5 of them, and they're all working for these here in these holes. I wonder how many chicks there are. So pleased it lets me get so close. So I'm going to mooch on for now, but I'll be back to keep an eye on what's going on. So I'm heading back up here now, and I'm going to show you where I seen the hawk it was in a nest. There was 2 nests, but what was strange is they were really low down. You'll see what I mean. It's not very big, like. It's not very high up, I'd say. Oh, I don't know. 25 feet. Tops. Well, I'm going to head back now. I spent about 40 minutes by them woodpeckers. I didn't expect that I'd see them, but as I say, there's about 5 of them. Exciting stuff. Well, that's me done for the day. I'm going home now. Thanks for joining me. Take care. I'll speak to you all again soon. Bye for now.